To easily copy text on the screen to the clipboard with Smart Select on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, go to the screen where it displays text you like to copy. As the example, we will copy some text from a PDF file to the clipboard. Remove your S Pen. Tap the R command icon and then tap Smart Select. Draw around the text you like to copy. Tap the extract text icon to extract the text within the selected area. And then tap copy icon to copy the selected text within the selected area to your clipboard, so you can use the text in another app. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.